Hello, my dear food lovers! Another day, another great recipe. And today is the historical moment when we, for the very first time, will cook the Bavarian style pancakes. First, let's see what we're gonna need. Oyster mushrooms, of course, Bavarian sausages, that's simple salt, some arugula, just simple pepper, and of course the pancakes. On the other video I show you how to make the pancakes, so you should know. So let's start. First, we need to switch on the oven. Switch on. And by the way, today we are cooking like real professionals on 2 frying pans at the same time. Let's start with oil. Actually, this is the very first time that I'm cooking with the walnut oil. I bought it a few days back in the shop. They say that the walnut oil is good for the brain. That means if it's true, you will see my English improvement and the skills improvement in cooking. One day, it will go. So now we need to wait a minute while I'm gonna get heated. One more ingredient. The very last egg. So this bigger pan we will use for frying the Bavarian sausages and oyster mushrooms. The smaller one for the egg. Also, let's see. We're gonna use this round platform for the egg to look like in the restaurant. I'm so excited. By the way, how the recipe was born. A few days back, one very talented amateur chef was eating out in a French restaurant, and he tried very nice pancakes with ham and oyster mushrooms. And he decided to cook it at home, but he could not find the French ham, so he bought Bavarian sausages, and that's how the new nice recipe was born. So let's see. Almost ready. Okay, I think it's ready. So we put the round form here. Cut the egg up. Success. Mushroom style. Actually, we don't even need the knife, we just need to separate them. Separate and put into the oven. Into the frying pan, sorry. Right. That looks great. These ones are too thick, so I will cut them in halves. This one is okay. Small ones. So now, let's open the sausages. So we're cooking for one portion, so 3 sausages will be more than enough. Now it's time to add some salt and pepper. Not too much, and not too much here. Some black pepper. Screw off. So we need to fry the mushrooms until they will become brownish. Maybe a few more minutes. Let's put the sausages. 2, 3. Looks like our egg is almost ready. But we'll give it 1 more minute. So, the next step is to prepare the pancakes. Switch it on. Looks like ready to move. For 1 portion, we will need 4 small pancakes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, let's do the sausages. 2, 3, and the mushrooms. As simple as that, we just put them on top. Rucola time. A little bit on top. The moment of truth. We need to close on both sides. And oh my goodness, our egg got stuck to the wrong corner. It's not a big problem. Okay, supposed to be a perfectly round egg, but as we are rookies, it's almost perfectly round. Das ist wunderbar, as they say in Germany. I don't know what about you, but I think it looks just brilliant. The next step, and it is my favorite step, is to try. Enjoy.